Hi, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Sound of Motors. Right, we've got a C220 diesel 2016 Mercedes, as you can see here. It's got an issue with the gear changing problems and lack of power. Basically, in a kind of limp mode. That's how the customers described to us. I assume engine management light is on. I haven't looked at it at all. We would need to start from diagnosing it. But when we diagnose it, but before we do that, well, I would need to really find out more from the customer itself what the actual story is, but what exactly happened to it. But then I'll do diagnostic first, and then I'll speak to the customer, see what happened there. Okay, yeah. Right. Engine management light is on. Start stop is disabled. Limp mode, RPM won't go above 3000 revs. Well, while idling, it does, but when you're driving, it doesn't. So being a Mercedes, I might not do a full diagnostic. I'll just do the engine management, because Mercedes generally have well over 100 modules, and it would take a very long time for it to read everything. Let's read code. The flow rate of EGR, mass airflow sensor malfunction, the soot contents of diesel particulate filter is not okay, component fault. Okay, let's find out what's been done, what's been happening to the customer. Okay.
Sorry, what's going on for the DPF?
DPF, we have made 2 holes in the DPF.
From the outside.
No, from outside, inside.
How you make a hole inside the DPF?
We just take it off and do 2 drills in the DPF.
Take it off and do 2 drill holes.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Because it's saying completely blocked. There's no regeneration possible.
It shouldn't be for the Mercedes. Yeah. Anyway. Okay. Then basically, you make a 2 hole inside the filter now. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you.
Thank you, Abdullah. Thank you. Thank you.
Right. Okay. Well, spoke to the customer. There's a whole story behind this car. This car apparently just been to the garage. It's been worked on, and then because of the same issue, and obviously it came to us because it's not been fixed. But what they have done, they have replaced the knock sensor. Rear knock sensor has been replaced, and also, according to the customer, the previous garage have removed the DPF off the car and drilled the holes in it and put it back together. So now we are at the crossroads where DPF is destroyed. Basically, you know, it does come up with the soot contents is high. So instead of cleaning the DPF, they literally drill the holes in it to make the car running. Don't ask why, you know. If you don't know how to fix cars, don't touch them, please. And also, when you're not able to fix it, don't delete the fault codes. Don't destroy the parts on it. And now we got to the point where we're gonna have to put brand new DPF on it, or alternatively, customer, because of a high cost of it, might go to illegal routes with which we do not condone nor practice here at our place. Unfortunately, rather, I nearly said the wrong thing, but yeah, we don't get involved with the DPF deletes and EGR deletes and all that lot. Yeah, we actually fix cars here, and yeah, so now the customer has an issue. They have replaced the MAF sensor, the knock sensor, and destroy the DPF. And now we've got a problem still showing that there's a soot contents high. We cannot clean it because it's got a hole in it. I don't know how it's going to clean up. Yeah, not sure where we're going to go from there. So ideally needs a new DPF, and then put it right, and then MAF sensor has the MAF sensor has been replaced. You might have a clogged up the system, like a EGR, like inlet manifold might be clogged up at the moment. That can be cleaned off. That's not an issue. The issue is with DPF that need to be sorted. Whether you might want to find a second-hand one that is not been tampered with, or what, but we'll have to speak to the customer and go from there. Okay, see you in the next.